what better place to study food and nutrition than the University of Guelph?
We are Canada's food university. The university has a long history of expertise in the domains of agriculture, food, and health, and the Human Nutraceutical Research Unit is one of the initiatives that grew out of this rich tradition. We continue to foster a unique and collaborative training environment to bring research ideas to fruition.
The HNRU is such a dynamic environment. It draws on faculty from across the Department of Human Health and Nutritional Sciences.
The HNRU really is a community. It's an educational and research unit that revolves around training students and completing high-quality clinical trials in food and natural health products.
The HNRU is core to meeting our department's goals. Not only does it provide the ability of our researchers to do their work in that facility, but it also allows us to attract interested parties from outside the university to come to the university and conduct research.
Well, I think it's the breadth of research that happens here that often surprises people. We are able to accomplish an awful lot here. Among our HNRU Management Committee alone, we have specialized training in dietetics, nutrigenomics, food science, and exercise science.
The HNRU contributes to interdisciplinary research across campus. The ability to carry out human-level research in the HNRU adds value to our collaborations.
The synergy between the HNRU and what I do for my research program is actually really quite incredible, because I want to know how people like food, and then we can use research in the HNRU to see what it's doing in the body. From a human participant perspective, we have a great ability to look at people's responses, not only when they're eating a food, but when they're actually digesting the food, and I think that's a very unique position.
We really value the opportunity to work with others who want to establish evidence that foods and natural health products can contribute positively to human health.
The HNRU has an excellent infrastructure for conducting human clinical trials. We have medically trained phlebotomists on staff who take blood samples, and we engage other healthcare professionals in the work we do.
In the HNRU, we are expert at designing and executing human clinical trials around foods and natural health products. We can create a tailored clinical trial experience with our partners, all the way from generating the first hypothesis to dissemination.
We want to get the information that we learn about food and natural health products and health out to the stakeholders. With our students, we publish our research in peer-reviewed journals, present at scientific conferences, and translate key messages through media interviews and articles in the popular press.
The University of Guelph is a leader in food and health research and training. Because of this integration,
Students really get to appreciate the importance of the field to fork model.
contact us to learn more about the research in the HNRU and how you can get involved.